Behind the alley in the valley, Central Cali's where I'm at. I see people come and go, then I see people coming back. They like, what's that? Is it some savage, really sticky type of residue? Girl, that's just my whip. See, it comes out when all the pressure's cool, I'm stuck. And I've been riding from the whole lot deck, but that is life. Don't worry, baby girl, I'll be alright, I go all night. See, I don't really move from where I'm at, but I stay sturdy till the sun is up. And even after that, and leaving when it's time, the season tells me how to change. I saw my homie burn in front of me, know I'm deranged. I plotted once before, but I got stuck within my point of view. So who would you believe would ever wanna go insane? I stay encaged within my habitat. Homies getting blasted at you, thinking it's a game, but just you wait until your limbs are hacked. Laces hit the murder tracks and put it in perspective. Bring your vision into focus from the flows that I perfected. I grew up with all the trees I see today. Some are gone, but in my memories they stay. I pass them every other day to say I'm still where I remain, and I've been waiting for the day that we get changed. My homies and my friends, my homies and my friends, my homies and my friends, me and my friends, my homies and my friends, me and my friends, my homies and my friends, my homies and my friends.
Living off my nerve, I earned what I'm given. You can call me sir, but I work for a living. I ain't have no other option but scramble till I drop dead. Doing what I got, have been training me for the top 10. I'm so hot that a sauna's like an ice bath. Eating soup in the summer, using half the spice rack. Kicking it, no stay runny player, flow so sick with it. Go take a shit, but I'll be right back. In the thick of it, right in the nick of time. Twist up a nick, feel alright in your mental mind. It's the click from the sticks, tall grass full of crickets, all chirping in sync while you trying to think. Underneath the old oaks, chewing on some wild oats. So if you trying to call my cell, you get a dial tone. Chilling with a bullfrog, burping up a foul poem. Doper than a toad skin, got me tripping out, Holmes. Shouts go out to my saplings and grown folk. King going out on a limb, out on the Gold Coast. There ain't no doubt we've been pulling in the most votes. Forests on every corner, branching. We don't boast, just our roots grow deep. Pouring out like sap in a slow creep. Spit it so sweet, nigga, put it in your earbuds then. I'm here to represent my homies and my friends. My homies and my friends. My homies and my friends. I'm here to represent. This should stop.